Thanks for watching this video. You're looking to achieve more next year, and you're thinking about how do I set goals? Well, this video is gonna have 2 short tips that you're gonna wanna hear, and it is the second video in a series of 5 about setting goals to have more success in the new year. My name is Tom Singer, and throughout my life, I have set goals, and some of them I've achieved, and others I haven't achieved them, but I've achieved more than I would have if I wasn't chasing them. So today's first tip is you have to write down your goals. If you just have like things you hope for and wish for, but you never write them down, you're never going to be able to achieve what you want. You have to commit them to paper and review them. My friend Chad Goldwasser, who is a top-level real estate agent, he writes his goals down, shrinks them down, laminates them, and has copies everywhere. So throughout the year, he's always focused on what he's trying to do. He keeps a copy in his wallet. He has some on his computer, the visor of his car. He even laminates them and puts them in the shower. Now that's a little weird, but it makes him constantly think about his goals, and it gets his commitment to them to be stronger than ever. So that's the first tip. Write down your goals. Now the second one, this one people think is weird, but the second tip I have to reach your goals is don't be a fraud. We live in a world where everybody's teaching people to fake it till you make it. Fake it till you make it. I meet consultants all the time who are pretending to be more successful than they are in order to get clients. One guy who is coaching people on how to become a successful paid speaker is 25 years old. He's charging close to $1,000 a month. And when I asked him, how many times have you been paid to speak? He told me 5. And yet he's making all this money coaching other people on how to be successful when he hasn't achieved it himself. So if you have goals and it takes other people and you've got to sell product or services, don't be a liar. Don't be a fraud, because at the end of the day, you have to wake up and look at yourself. So write down your goals and be true to the world of where you are in achieving them. Don't fake it till you make it. Go out there and earn your success. So subscribe to this channel. I've got more videos coming on this, and I hope you liked it.